guys, what's going on? Maggie from M&R here. Today I'm with Darek and Sadowski, the M&R twins, and we've known each other since how? I was a baby?
Since you were born, basically.
Yeah, since I was born, basically. Yeah. But you guys have been here at M&R for so long. How many years? Tell us your story when you came from Poland to the States and all that stuff.
We came from Poland in 1988. They were not even born yet.
Nope.
Yeah. So, since that, we've been together with my brother. Yes. Brother. And we work with M&R every day here for 40 years, about 38 years in February next year. It's going to be 38 years.
Crazy.
Working in the same company. We started working as an electrician, and now I'm doing assembly departments, and Darek is purchasing electrical components and assemblies. So I started on the, used to be like a M&R small building with 2 levels. I used to work at the upper level, and Darek was working downstairs. Okay, so nobody knew that. And one day, Darek stayed back home complaining that someone come to me and complain I'm not working. Okay, so don't worry, just keep doing your job. So next day, same thing happened, and Darek come home and she crying. I don't want to work at M&R.
You were crying?
Yeah, he was crying because same guy could one more day kick you downstairs, you'd be fired, something like that. You know, it was really serious. We didn't know how to begin. We were 18 years old back then. And then one day, it was like 1 week later, we were on lunchtime, and the guy comes, he walks in, hey, wait, there are 2 of you? Yes. All right, he was apologizing for that. He didn't know that, okay? So since that, we've always been together. And guess what? We still work like working here.
38 years later, why?
Yes, we're still happy to be here, part of M&R. I remember building Gauntlet 1, first machine, myself. And then now we're doing Gauntlet 4, and all the stuff went through.
Moving on up.
Yeah, so when we celebrate our birthdays, we always celebrate together. Even M&R, one time I was in Poland in 2006. I was there for 2 years when we opened facility in Poland. So I couldn't come to USA, but then Rich Hoffman said, no, I gotta do something for you. Back then, he managed to do a live conference and celebrate our birthday, even though I was in Poland, then we work together.
That's
so
sweet.
Many stories were like this from this great company, which we still like working at M&R.
Darek, why do you like working?
I like M&R because this is basically all my life. I love M&R because I feel like home, and I treat this company like my company. I do all I can to make sure M&R is still growing and is doing the best equipment.
We're one big happy family.
Yeah, one big family. Yeah. I feel like this is my second family. One more thing that
Go for it.
M&R is the only job we ever had in our lives. Darek and me.
Yes.
Never worked anywhere else but M&R. So that's why we like this, because we grew up with this company.
Right.
So we know entire history, we know many things will happen, went through many different stages of growing M&R. So it was really fun to be part of this.
Of course.